Welcome back this week. So this is what my cabinet looks like with 3 coats of stain. It did dry pretty good over the weekend. So we're gonna hit it with one more, just because this lighting kind of brightens it up quite a bit. My goal is to get this wall done this week. So I'll be tucked back here. The lighting's kind of weird, but bear with me. And besides this, a couple oddball tasks around here. We have 17 days left now. So yikes. But on that 17th day, on May 29th, we are having a party. So I want you to come. It's totally open house. Everybody's welcome from 1 to 3 p.m. We're gonna have free drinks and hors d'oeuvres, and we're having a raffle. Raffling off the Madame Suite, merch, and gift certificates, other fantastic things. We're gonna showcase this lobby, show it off, bring y'all in, and have an open house on some of the rooms. So my mom will be probably hosting those tours and taking you around, showing you what we have to offer. You gotta hurry this sucker up. I know it's taking me forever. I only have a few days a week. Be kind. Getting this sweatshirt rod cut down to size. I didn't know where to go with these trim colors, really. So I got a bunch of different kinds. Let's work through this, huh? I really thought I was gonna like this one, but you know what? It's too much clay. This one's too green, too brown, too green. I just think that might be a little bit too dark. I'll look at them for a little while. My sign, the company, Signage.com. I assumed that if the product worked, it would be fine, 5 stars, but they sent me a beautiful sign that's supposed to light up, and it does not. So it is taking at least 6-7 weeks to get them to, they just kept sending me more manuals and more PDFs. I'm gonna get the mounting holes ready. Element of surprise, so I will be covering these windows with some plastic. I'm just using a square base for this little back hallway. I trimmed this down a bit, but I couldn't trim it any narrower for my bathroom trim. So I just cut this piece up. It is 1/2 inch versus 3/4, so it can hopefully slide behind there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna pre-paint it and then get it mounted, and this hallway will be done. Just waiting on the doorknob for this door. Comes tomorrow, and then I'll be done with this room. Need a little bit of cleaning, but the door turned out. So from the our side, there's these two cabinet systems. And that will be where the marble is, and this will be your kind of sit-stand desk. It's entry. So I got all these all refinished on the inside. I kind of waited until now to do them because they got so dusty putting the handles on that it was just easier to push off, but now it's all done. And I'm so happy with them. This is gonna break my heart a little bit, but it's gonna be a heck of a lot easier to do it now than later. I'm gonna have a printer and my desktop up here, which will need to be fished through to plug in underneath. And so I bought these little grommet things I can drill and have all my cords run through. I think I need 2 of them, and before I do my clean in here, I'm just gonna get those drilled out because they're gonna be messy. I also need to get this counter attached to the base here so we don't have any sliding. So, I just don't want to ruin anything. To waste any time and making sure my shelving units are getting stained and the same love as the cabinet upstairs. They were a couple days behind, but now I'm catching them up. So these will go inserted inside those side cabinets, and I think I might leave it all just wood stained. It's not quite ready yet. I need to wait until my poly is fully dry on the base levels and these 2 side levels. In order to drill my holes I forgot to drill between this panel and that panel. You're looking at my desk, and a week from today, on May 22nd, it's gonna get wrapped with marble. So first, I gotta clean it off. Second, I gotta stick a ladder on it. And third, I gotta hang my lights on the ceiling. So, time to clean. That's better. This back office is going to be next level handy, and we're gonna have another calendar right there. This is the calendar I've been already using for me, and guess what? Doink doink. Other things are getting crossed off, but we're working through the month. Oh, it's looking so good. It looks so cool in here at night, you guys. Can't wait to show you next in 2 weeks.